Oh, fucking hell. Good morning, you lovely lot, and welcome to the new look. After yesterday's beard shave, I've finally done it. The moustache, yeah, proper Charles Bronson there. So now I finally shaved the beard off, as I said I was going to do. I wasn't going to touch the beard all in November and shave it off this weekend. Go donate. I've still got a long way to go, but I'm doing pretty well. Anyway, we are at... I can't remember the place it's called. The Stalls, I think it's called The Stalls. It's a coffee place somewhere past Salisbury. We got it a little bit early. Only turned up as well in a lovely TVR. Anyway, I'm here with my mate Tom and David. David's got the E46. Tom's got his lovely ST, as we reviewed before. And we're in Lucy's little MX-5 because she wanted to take that. And then we've got the owner's TVR over there, which we'll take a look at in a sec. Probably go and have a coffee or get a drink or warm up and shit anyway in a sec, and have a look and see what cars turn up this morning. We got GTR turning up, we got some other stuff there. We have a Porsche Cayman, TT, Astra, obviously these three, and we got plenty more, so we're going to go around them in a sec and have a look. Okay, so kicking off, I need just an ST. Go on then, Tom, let's have a look around. We've got a nice Porsche 944 there with some awards. Oh no, there you are. Oh, Clean's car competition apparently. Tom loves this one, don't you?
Oh, very much so.
Nice Mustang, full fat, 5 litre as well. Absolutely. Do you know anything about it? No?
Well, she's hopefully supercharged, but we'll finally find out if he opens the bonnet.
Yeah. Nice Porsche GT4 as well. I think, is it Carrera or is it just GT? I don't know. Don't know much about Porsches, otherwise it's lovely.
Porsche, man, but I can appreciate it.
Absolutely gorgeous. Then I'm not going to bother with our lineup of cars. Gorgeous Audi TT and this lovely Astra. Anyway, continuing. What? Continuing onwards. Little Lopo, little yellow block of cheese. Nice Mini. And a little nice, not little, but GT86. Now, very interesting Honda Prelude. Oh fuck, I can't even stand up. Don't know much about these. Nice little car, I'm pretty sure they're like H22 or H20, maybe a B18 or something. But it has got full steering, which is very fucking rare. And a nice set of end keys as well. What are you laughing at, you cunt?
You, funnily enough.
And my favourite one that's finally turned up, actually. An A86 or Trino. This thing is gorgeous. This is absolutely lovely. Clean as well. Very nice. Indeed.
No, you can't block.
Oh no. This is being blocked in while I'm up free. That's a shame anyway. Oh no, leaving. Anyway, continuing onwards. A very clean 2002 Ti or Turbo, I'm pretty sure. Very clean. And then the owner's TVR. I'm not a Tuscan. As you can see, a hell of a lot more cars have turned up now. So we are going to slowly make our way through them. We're getting there. You what?
How dare you?
How dare you offer such fun? I don't know what M3 that is. What one is it? Shit, I'm joking.
Is it an F90?
I think it's...
Is it F90? Oh, don't know.
Probably some F number. Nice E92. Two lovely M3s next to each other. Oh, fuck, it bloody hell, it's cold. A Polo. Walking on the grass. And then, oh, it's just a normal Audi. I thought it was an RS something, but doesn't matter. Anyway, continuing onwards to what's over there. We have a shitty Fiesta, slammed on its ass, nice to know. E92. And we have a real version of Tom's car right here. Come on, Tom.
Same engine, 10 grand more than mine.
Is it any better than yours? Probably.
I mean, it's an RS. Of course it is.
Onwards, nice GR86. I'm starting to rate these quite a bit. They don't look quite as fat as the normal GT86. It's got it again. It has got positive camber. Can you not see the positive camber on the front wheels? I'm pretty sure. I don't know, but it's got positive camber. Either way, they're a lot nicer than the actual GT86s. They're smaller and less fatty. Cyclic wide beefer, of course. And we'll get to those two in a sec. Oh, fucking hell. Gorgeous RS4, B5 I'm pretty sure. Or was it B7? Might be B7A RS4. And a Porsche Carrera. I don't know if it's a turbo, I think it's just an NA1, but either way, again, absolutely lovely. I'll take another front look at that in a sec, and then we just got some mashup of cars over here. So we've got, ooh, old Rover Turbo. And a little EK Civic tucked away here. And in the front and then that Porsche. Yeah, I don't think anyone's getting out of here anytime soon. Continue on round, getting this beastie RS6 and the GTR there here that's been stashed away. Just fucking. And that's gorgeous GTR. That's lovely looking thing. I'm very shaky, it is absolutely freezing. Absolute cheeky little line up here. Two, I'm going to say 911s, not a fucking clue because I don't know Porsches, and an E39 M5, but we'll have a look around these first. Gorgeous leather inside. That's Carrera, fucking hell.
Yeah.
Then we've got a gorgeous E39 M5 there, which we'll have a look in a sec. It's an E30. Anyway, I'm now going to look at the E39 M5. Nice big brake kit. Oh shit, it's manual as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, other than many which we've already seen, but we'll take another look at. There's not much else around here other than this Land Rover. Oh, fucking hell. Which isn't the Land Rover, well, Defender actually, which I think it's from the tuning company. I can't remember what the tuning company is, but this is sick. Half cab 90 Defender. Proper cage in there, proper little bucket seats. That is sick. Gorgeous. E36 325 I-Lump, I'm pretty sure of. Absolutely gorgeous. Lucy. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Something a bit different to turn up. Jesus. And the 2002 has its bonnet open. Ooh.
Yeah. Give it a run.
That's gorgeous.
Well, this is lovely condition. Yeah.
Oh, absolute ex. Oh my god, fuck it. Absolute excellent cars and coffee. I look like an absolute twat. So does those two, but it's a look I'm not going to get used to. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. It's been a great one. Lots of fucking cars, great turnout, great food as well. Buy this place. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to donate. I need to get to the 1,000, hopefully. And well, till next time.